Okay, this is the arm curl, and it's going to work your biceps, the front of your arms. You want to grab these handles while you're standing. Put your elbows on the pad. Make sure you do the very slow and controlled movement. You'll get your maximum benefit doing the slow, controlled movement. Okay, and to adjust the seat, you just lift it up and adjust it where you need it.